All right, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar Wednesday. You know what that means. You wish for songs, and I bring them up here for you on this specific day, Wednesday. So it's time for Dean Lewis. I Still Do. That's the title of this song, and you wish this AK. So I hope you will enjoy this. And we had Dean here many times on Learn Guitar. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe and you see you also have the possibility to get your song here. So we had him on this channel multiple times. Songs like Looks Like Me, All For You, perhaps Trust Me Mate, that's titles, and he will be back for sure. So let's go into this one. I Still Do, and we're gonna have no need for any capo here. It's clean on the fretboard, and we're gonna go with chords that gives us this open, airy feeling, just in the same way as we have it in this song. So 4 chords, they're gonna roll in the same way through the entire song. Let's start with those. And E, that will be the first one. So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have then the B sus, and it's not a bar chord, it's like I said, open style thing going on here, and the technical name is the B sus 4. All right, so it goes second on A, fourth on D, fourth on G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the C sharp minor. Again, not a bar chord, it's just pointing here on the 4th fret A. Usually we have a bar there, now it's just 4th A, then 6th D, 6th G, 5th B, and open E. And the final chord is the A sus2, like that. So it goes open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Okay, so that is the chord progression. Now into the strumming, and I gave you 2 styles of it, you can say, when I played for you here in the introduction of this tutorial. So one way is to play like this with E. And the second way is to play like this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the second way first, actually, for you to be able to understand the next thing there and how to play with the timing there. So you maybe noticed that I worked a lot more when I play the second style of it, and that is pretty much how you're gonna do. And yeah, that second way gives you the timing correct in the first one. So we're gonna start with that. We have 2 halves of this strumming. So the first half goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play straight downs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up. That is the first half. So we wanna give an extra kick on the ones there to start with. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the ones there are more prominent. So like that. And the 2 and 3, you kind of just have short downs and chewing style, so to speak. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's how you start, and then you're gonna play down, down, up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up. That's the first half of it. Then the second half will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and it stops there. So you have the same technique again. You're gonna emphasize the first always. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And that's the second half. So if you put that together, it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is one round, okay? So without me speaking, it goes like this. Okay, and I have these ones I notice that I play a full downstroke, or at least I get the higher strings. That's the important thing here, to get the higher strings. And the 2s and 3s where I'm chewing, I'll play a little bit more on the bass string. So, and the down up there, I make sure I get on the higher strings there as well. We want to emphasize that too. So that is how you play this style here. But now you can also relax a little bit and just pretty much play the ones, okay? So it will sound like this. The ones plus the down, up. That is important too. So part 1 will be like this: down, up. So now maybe you understand why we started with the first style, because now you know when to hit that one, okay? You understand now that you have these 2s and 3s in between, and you know how they come. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, up. That is how you're gonna play the second style. And it's actually played a lot in the song, but both ways are used in this song, so you can go either way here. So that's part 1, down, up. And part 2 goes down. So one full round with this a little bit more relaxed style goes like this. Okay, so you watched it in introduction tutorial. I mixed them up. I played the first round for you with this simpler, relaxed style, and then I added intention and went to the second style. I'm going to give you that as well so you can hear the differences, and you can also mix it up in whatever style you want to. So it goes like this. Alright guys, so that is how you handle it. You can mix and go back and forth with different styles. And if you miss the down up sometimes, as soon as you get these 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and get them right there, then you are on the track for this song. So hope you enjoyed it, especially you AK and all you other Dean Lewis fans. I still do love this way of teaching out songs for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you do, feel free to support me. Until next time, play tuned.